You're probably in that space where you are mapping out your goal to becoming a homeowner here in Maryland. One of the things that is recommended for you to accomplish is to take a homebuyer workshop. During that workshop, it will come in two phases, or it's two stages. One, you'll take the class as a workshop with other individuals. You can do this in person or it can be offered virtually. It's normally going to be about 6 to 8 hours total. That could be either an entire Saturday or 2 evenings. When you're done, you would then meet one on one with the housing counseling agent who's going to go through things that you might not think about right now, such as your budget. When you buy this house, that is debt that you will be responsible to pay. And there are other things that you also need to accommodate out of your income, like electricity, water, etc. They're going to go through your budget to make sure that you are ready. And the other thing they're going to do is to go through the programs that you might qualify to use towards the purchase of that house, either to go towards the down payment, which means that your monthly payment will be lower, or the closing cost in total, which is the total bill that you need in order for you to get that house. I will go through where you're able to get a list of that particular agency that is close to you, convenient either based on your work location or your current residence. Most of the products, unless they have a stipulation, you can take these classes anywhere. Stay tuned. We recommend that you start off here, Maryland Mortgage Program. Their website is mmp.maryland.gov, or if you just search for Maryland Mortgage Program. The website does have information that is helpful to you. You're going to go to, you want to get yourself ready, so you'll click on Prepare Yourself. You're then going to be directed to the steps that you need to be aware of that will guide you towards you becoming a homeowner. We here at Cast Realty specialize in working with first-time home buyers. Definitely connect with us or subscribe to our channel where we're going to be posting videos that will guide you in this process. We're focusing today on the home buyer education. We're going to find a list of entities that offer these classes. You do want to go with either the HUD-approved counseling agencies or this other one, National Industry Standards. You're able to select from either list. If you want to take the classes online, which is self-paced, that means you can select from any one of these, and most likely there will be a cost to you when you're taking it online, self-paced. To find the agencies, once I click on HUD-approved, I will be provided with a list. I've already gone ahead and put as an example, let's say I'm in Cockeysville. It will then generate a list. There are 10 of them. You're given the address and the name. If you scroll down, you're able to see what they offer. So what they offer is provided. It's not only before you purchase a home, some of them also do help individuals with budgeting or when you're looking for a rental as well. What I will share as you connect with a real estate agent, such as us here at Cast Realty, is when you are taking advantage of jurisdictional products. So let's say I want to buy in Baltimore County or Baltimore City as an example, they might require specific entities that you need to take the classes with. Definitely reach out at Cast Realty. Our contact information is below. Until next time, take care.